Hi, hello students, welcome back. Today we are going to learn about new lesson that is called More About Internet. Lesson 10, class 6. Topics are going to be covered in this lesson are first one is composing and sending an email. Next one is adding new groups. Next one is how to attach the file in email. Next, how to open an attachment in email. Next one is uses of internet. Next, what is search engine. Next, finding people on internet. Next, what is e-greetings. Next, what is Google Drive. And last topic is blog and podcast. Composing an email and sending an email. To compose the email, we need to follow the given step. First, we need to open the Gmail. Next one is we need to click on the compose button on the left pane. Next step is in two field we will write the email address of the receiver. Suppose you are sending an email to particular person, then you will enter the email ID of the receiver. In CC means carbon copy. Here you will write the email ID of the other persons whom you want to send a copy of the email. For example, in CC a principal is sending the email to vice principal. He will put vice principal name in to field, and in CC field he will keep all the teacher email IDs. Next one is BCC. BCC means by carbon copy. That means you need to enter the email ID of the people whom you want to send a copy but don't want other recipients to know about it. For example, principal is sending an email means a principal is sending the email to vice principal and teachers, but he doesn't want to know about one more email ID also there. That means that he is sending the same email to BCC. Then he will keep that administration email address in BCC. Then other in CC field they can't know who is in the BCC. In that cases we will use the BCC fields. Next one is step 5. Type your message in the message area. And step 6 is click the send button. Yeah, see here students. Now to send or to compose an email we need to open any email account. Now I opened here Gmail. So after opening this one, now I'm going to click on the compose, which is appeared in the left side of the left pane. Now click on that one. A small dialog box will appear here. Now here what we will do, to address. Suppose you are sending one mail to, here I'm writing here, so here vice principal @gmail.com. I written this one. Now here, now in CC I am going to keep here teacher1 @gmail.com and teacher2 @gmail.com. That means teacher name. I am not writing the teacher name. Instead of teacher name I am writing teacher1 2 3 like that. Now BCC, by blind carbon copy. That means here I repeated in that earlier class, before that one I told that by carbon copy, but it's not by carbon copy, it is a blind carbon copy. Now see here, now in CC I am writing that admin @gmail.com. See, admin @gmail.com. Now subject, what is that one? Important no notice, and write here your email, whatever the email you want to write. See, 3 more it is there, and if you click on the send, then it will go the email. In this way we can compose the email. Next topic is adding new contacts. Every email program provides an address book where you can store all the email addresses. See here, I already told you, CC means carbon copy, BCC means blind carbon copy. To add contact in Gmail account, we need to follow the given step. Step 1, click on the Gmail drop down arrow at the top left panel and select the contacts option. Click on the new contact button in the contacts window. The form appears on the screen. Fill the required information in the given fields, for example email, phone number, birthday and URL, and click on the add button. Next one is groups. Groups are created store the one type of contact, example family members, friends, office colleagues, etc. To create the groups email contact, follow the given step. Click on the email Gmail drop down arrow at the top left pane and select the contact option. Click the new group tab. New group dialog box appears. Enter the group name in the specific given and click on OK. Let us have a look on a video how to add new contacts and how to create groups. Yeah, see here now how to create new contacts in the Gmail. After opening the Gmail, there is here your name. Now beside there are all dots are there, Google Apps it is there. Now here click on the contacts option. Now a special window is open. Now click on the create contact option. Click on create contact and click on create contact. Now we'll write here first name. For example, member 1, surname is 1. I am writing that something like the team A, or member and surname I'll write 1, company suppose Apple, and job title something member. And now I'll click on save. Now it's saved, close. Now I will create one more contact and click on create multiple contacts. Again dialog box appear. Now we'll write here names, email address or both. For example, I'm writing here mom, comma, father contact. I'm writing. You can write the email addresses instead of the names. Now I'm writing here only names because I can't get all the email address. So I'm writing sister email address. Now next one is brother, th, brother. Next one is anyone, uncle or anything. Click on create. See, all contacts are created now. Now next one, I'm going to create few more contacts like member 2, comma, member 3, comma, member 4. Click on create. Now see, in this way we can create the contacts in Google. Now how to keep it in the group? There is a label option here. Create a label here and write here label like group name, it's like family. Click on create, and now these many contacts are there, it is like clumsy. Okay, now I'm creating one more label group and I'm writing here instead of family, now I will write office. Click on save. Now I created two groups, that means two labels. Now first I will select brother, father, mom, sister and uncle also selected, and click on the label, manage label, and click on the family and click on apply. Now these all contacts into the family. Let us see how to see the. Now I select member 1, member 2, member 3 and member 4 and click on labels and click on office, apply. Now see here, now if I click office, only 4 contacts, what are the office contacts are there, it will show. If I click on the family, only family contacts will show. In this way we can manage the contacts in Gmail. If you know the email address, it will come here, email address, phone number. I didn't write anything. For example, I have shown. Now if I click office, family. If you want to delete this one, family, and select individually, suppose you don't want this uncle in this family, and select this one and click on 3 dots here and click on delete. Do you want to delete the selected contact? Yes. See, uncle contact. If you want to delete whole this office contacts, there is a delete label here. Delete all contacts and delete this label also. Click on delete. Now again, if you want to delete the family contacts, click on the family, and if you want to keep all the contacts you can keep, or if you want to delete all the contacts you can delete. In this way we can we can add the contacts, or we can create the groups. Next one is how to attach a file. That means if you want to attach any files like photos, documents, let us have a look. Step 1, click on attach file option, then dialog box appears. Choose the file to upload. Choose the file and click on open. Repeat the above steps to attach the more files. To attach more files we should repeat all the steps. Next one is how to open an attachment. To open an attachment, follow the given steps to open the attachment. Click on the inbox and click on the mail which has the attachment. Mail will open the last list of attached files. Now click on the download attachment option or download all attachments. File downloading process starts after completion. Click the down arrow button and choose the show in folder option from the list. Let us have a look on a small video how to attach a file and how to open attachment in Gmail, attachment file in Gmail. Let us have a look. Now see here how to attach the files. First one is click on the compose after opening your Gmail. Now to whom you want to send the email. Now I am writing here TARUN Tarun Teja agps@gmail.com. See, I written two address. Now I will write here subject. What is this? I am writing this laptop image. Now there is a attachment button here, attach file here. Click on this one, a dialog box will appear. 1 second. This one. When you click on this attachment button, dialog box appears. Choose the file which you want to send. Now I am selecting this laptop or computer. Click on open. Now let's see. It is uploaded. Now click on the send option. Now sending and message send. You can view the message like send. Now second one is, as we discussed right now, how to download the attachments. Now I sent the email from the AGPS Pahalgam to my email ID. Now I open and refresh here. Now see here. Here it is there. See AGPS Pahalgam laptop image. Now I'll open this one. Here one attachment is there. How to download this one? There is a download file option. Here you can see here download message. You can, in this way we can download. Now I'll click on this one. Now laptop is getting downloaded. In this way we can download the attachments, and right click on that one, show in folder. See, laptop image has been downloaded. In this way we can send the attachments and we can download the attachments. Okay students, that's all for today's class. Meet you in next class. Till then, take care and stay safe.